town on the children to do this shit. The Queen Quet coming to Hunter for right here in Beaufort, so Skakalaki. Hunter know where we to be a thing like that. Now, see, plenty of y'all children be to run up on the Queen, see? And then when security be like, hold it, calm down. So then y'all be getting bucks and all that kind of thing. But in the end, what you do? Yeah, how you do? So this evening, I just get off the plane. I just get off them. Come straight from Savu right here. I say, get a little bit for Nampon. Then I go on downtown. I get a little bit of music on the water. And then I go about my business to wait because my bed calling me. Well, God had another plan. Stop here and forget something now and mind me own business. I see this brother come rolling up on me. See, now one thing about him, his spirit had feel all right, but I still want to wonder who this is and why to drag this gal with him over to my table. Well, we done been sitting here a good 30 minutes, if not more. Because I had to get it, it's your story, and this story so deep I had to let on until and get them too. This is the brother Murray. This brother was my homeboy from St. Helena, but I even know him. I even know him on the island. You tell them how I got to know who you were, and when you walk up here and say, Queen, you should know me, I'm like, I don't know you, how to know you. Tell them how did I get to know you.
All right, I made a mistake. I was incarcerated in a Florida prison, and I was trying to get back in touch with what I knew and how I was raised on St. Helena Island, and I began to study Gullah Geechee again, and I ran across a book written by a woman that I didn't know that represented the Gullah Geechee community, and I didn't think it was authentic, so I contacted Penn Center, and through Penn Center I connected with Queen Quet, and I asked her about the lady writing books about Gullah Geechee in the name of Gullah Geechee, and I'd never heard of her, and I'm from right here on the island.
Right.
So that letter, one letter turned into many more, and for close to 14 years, Queen Quet sent me letters, sent me books. I was able to start teaching classes. I was able to teach people in Florida and anybody who wanted to learn about the Gullah Geechee Nation and about their ancestry and their history and what it meant to be from the island and to have pride in who you are and what you represent.
Now this is what's critical to me. Now you wasn't like you was in one place and told. You told me you ended up going to what, like 17
I was at
different
17 different
institutions
institutions in the state of
teaching
Florida.
in the state of Florida. And then tell us what you tell them, what you told me about what you wouldn't allow. Like once you started teaching or you passed literature to people to read.
Once I started teaching, I took this. I had a version of this which had the Queen on it, and if I taught you, you wasn't allowed to be in gangs, you wasn't allowed to speak a certain way, you couldn't be indulged in anything that I felt like wasn't a representation of what I stood for or what I felt like the Gullah Geechee Nation stood for, because the culture breeds, for me, it bred a way of life, which means if you gonna believe in this and you're gonna stand on this, you can't indulge in other things. So no, you couldn't fight foolishly, you couldn't be using all type of foul language, you couldn't represent a gang and teach. If I saw you throwing up gang signs, or I saw you doing something that I didn't think was representing the culture, then I would take my books back. I couldn't teach you anymore until you got yourself right on the right path to say, okay, hey bro, I want to learn again. Because once you get this and you embrace, you know, what I felt like Queen Quet stood for, it would change your thinking. And you wouldn't want to do the old things that made you look foolish, because to me, she didn't look foolish. And I don't think Gullah Geechee people are foolish. I think they're some of the most smartest, hardest working, know how to get things done. And if you're going to be a part of it, for me, I didn't allow them to indulge in other things because I think that it looked bad for her as opposed to, I was trying to get her, I used to try to get her to come to Florida to speak. I can't get her in if you represent her name in the name of foolishness.
Right.
So she can't come do and teach us. You know, you can't study, basically you can't study at the foot of the Queen if you're involved in this. because they're not gonna allow her in because they're gonna say no. Because when she comes, it's guilt by association. I didn't want that association of how we was living to be placed on her. So that's how I taught people. And that's how the dudes that was able to study up under me when I left, they taught the same thing.
And they still teach it.
It's about 10 different institutions that still got Gullah Geechee Nation classes where the brothers will speak Gullah Geechee. And
Throw them down like they should.
from the first book that she sent me, Legacy of
Legacy
Evil
of Land.
right in the back, I taught that you must take care of the root for heal the tree. And that's what we stand on, and that's what we pass along to the people. So,
that is a blessing.
And I love you, and you keep doing what you're doing, and you help me. You change me.
I'm so happy.
I appreciate it.
And through you, so many other brothers have been uplifted.
Yes, ma'am.
And lifted their minds. So that means they're going to be great fathers and great community people and great husbands. Because I hear somebody getting married, y'all. I hear there's somebody that getting married. It'll jump abroad. Okay? So I'm so glad and so happy. It's such a blessing. Because so many folks tell me, when I come home, I'm going to live right. When I come home, I'm going to help in the community. I come home, I don't know if they're doing it or not, because I don't know if I get to see them. So to hear this tonight, this is one of the greatest gifts. I done got my Christmas and Kwanzaa gift already, thank God. This is a blessing. 100 children just saying no. This a homecoming for me right here. But yet it is your story. Because you never know. Once you plant a seed, you ain't there always to see if there's a harvest or not. But this time I know the weeds ain't take them down. They grow and it spreads some more seeds. So keep going, my brother. Peace and blessings. Love you, man. Stay strong.